Hello dear students, I welcome you all on my channel Maths Gurpreet. So we were doing chapter number 2, Polynomials of grade 9. We have seen what a polynomial is, what are its term and coefficient. We have seen different method to factorize a polynomial, that were splitting the middle term method, grouping method, long division method, and how to factorize a cubic as well. After that we have seen the most important topic, remainder theorem, factor theorem, zeros of a polynomial. So today we will see the last topic, that is algebraic identities. So first identity is x plus y whole square. X plus y whole square means I have to write these two times, x plus y, and the formula for this is, or expansion for this identity is, x square plus y square plus 2 times xy. X square plus y square plus 2 times x and y. If this is my question, x plus y whole square, I have to expand this. Using this identity, I will write this as x square plus 5 square plus 2x 5, 2 into x into 5. So I am getting x square plus 25 plus 10x for this question. Using this number 1 identity, we can directly write this expansion. Number 2 is x minus y whole square. So I can write this as x minus y, and expansion is what? X square plus square of second term minus of 2 first term and second term. Let's say this question, x minus 5 whole square. I'll directly write, I'm just telling you each and every step, so we can write this as this, and the formula is, or expansion is, x square plus, here we will write plus, square of second term now minus 2 times the first term into second term. So the answer is x square plus 25 minus 10x. So this is the expansion for this question, or we can say that for this polynomial, these are its two factors. For this polynomial, these are the factors. We can work both ways. If we are having this expansion, we can write these factors from this identity, number 1, and if we are having factors like this, we can expand this by using this identity. Let's see number 3 identity. This is x square minus y square. Two numbers, then expansion is what? X minus y, x plus y. These are the factors. Let's say this question I have written here, 25x square, 25 by 4x square minus y square by 9. So I know that I can write this as, clearly I can see that 25 can be written as 5 and 4 can be written as 2 whole square. So x is also in square. I can write this as 5 by 2 x whole square. Now this can be written as y by 3. 3 3s are 9, so this can be written as y by 3 whole square. Now this is of the form identity number 3. This is similar as identity 3. We can use this formula. So x minus y, this is my complete x, this is my complete y. This is basically x square minus capital Y square. So I have to write capital X minus capital Y. So capital X is this minus capital Y is this. In the next bracket, I will write capital X, now plus capital Y. So if this is my polynomial, these are the factors. If these are the factors given, I can create this polynomial using this identity number 3. Let's see one more question related to this identity 3. So the question is x 3 minus 2x, 3 plus 2x, 3 minus 2x, 3 plus 2x. I am taking all these questions from the last exercise of polynomial NCERT book. So this is my x, this is my y. I can write this as x is equals to 3 and capital Y will use, because small x is including in the question. So I'll take capital X in capital Y. So capital Y is my 2x. So this is basically x minus y and x plus y. But this identity is the same. If I am having factors, I can write it as x square minus y square. So what is my x? 3. 3 square minus 2x whole square I have to write. So this is equals to 9 minus 4x square. So this is my answer. If these are factors given, this is the polynomial here. So these are the factors of this polynomial. Using you have to write all these in the brackets using which identity? Complete identity. This you have to write here for the reason. Say x plus 7, x plus 6. If this is my question, I will do directly from here x square First plus a plus b, 7 plus 6 outside x, then 7 into 6. This is the expansion from identity number 4. So I am getting this polynomial for these two factors. This is how this identity works. Let's see identity number 5th, which is basically a trinomial. This factor or this expression is having 3 terms. So this is what a trinomial. Let's see expansion for this. This can be written as square of first term, square of second term plus square of third term now, plus 2 times multiplication of first 2 terms, 2 times multiplication of last 2 terms, 2 times multiplication of last and the first term, zx or xz we can write. Let's see a question related to this identity. Let's see the question. Question is x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. So this question is having 3 terms. So we will use the identity number 5 to solve the question. So x square plus 2y whole square plus 4z whole square. Now these are first 3 terms, plus 2 times x plus x into 2y. Next term is plus 2 times 2y into 4z plus 2 times 4z into x, or I can write x into 4z. So these are the terms. Let's simplify. X square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 4xy plus 16yz plus 8xz or zx. So this is the answer for this question. Let's see. So this is the next question, x plus 8, x minus 10. This question is asking us to expand this using the suitable identities. So till now we have seen 5 identities. Clearly identity 1 is not suitable because it is not. 10 can be written as x plus of minus 10. So if I write x plus of minus 10, I will get the identity number 4, x plus a, x plus b, and I have expansion for this. We can directly write the result for these two factors. So x plus 8 we can write as such. Next is x minus 10. Let's write this as x plus of minus 10. So plus minus is what basically? Plus minus is minus. So we are making x minus 10 in actual. So x plus 8 and x plus of minus 10 is similar to x plus a, x plus b. So I can, in every question, while solving the question, we have to write the complete identity in bracket to give a reason from where it is coming. So this is the reason, this is the identity here what I am using. So this will be equals to x square plus of, a is what? 8, 8 plus of minus 10. Why? Because b is here minus 10. So minus 10 outside x plus a is 8. 8 into, I can write 8 into minus of 10, minus 10. So I am getting 8 plus of minus 10, 8 plus minus. This will be minus 2 outside x because 8 minus 10 is minus. So next is plus minus is minus, so minus 80. So x square plus minus minus 2x minus 80 is the answer for this question. Let's see question. So the question is minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square. This is identical to identity number 5. We will make a use of identity 5 here. X is basically minus 2x, y is 5y, and z is minus 3z here. So I can write minus 2x as capital X, then 5y as capital Y, and minus 3z as capital Z. So comparing these two, what I am getting? Capital X is equals to minus 2x, capital Y is equals to 5y, and capital Z is equals to minus 3z. Now I can put directly these values in the expansion using this identity number 5. So what I am having? Minus 2x whole square plus 5y whole square plus minus 3z whole square. Now plus 2 of capital X capital Y plus 2 times capital Y capital Z. I am just putting the values plus 2 times capital Z and capital X, which is minus 3z and minus 2x. So this is equals to 4x square plus 25y square plus 9z square minus 20xy minus 30yz plus 12zx. So this is my answer for this question. Let's see the next question. Further, I can write this question as 1 by 4a plus of minus 1 by 2b plus of 1 whole square to make it identical to identity number 5. So now expand this. This can be written as x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 times capital XY plus 2 times YZ plus 2 times ZX. Now on comparing these two, what I am getting, I have capital X is equals to 1 by 4a, capital Y is equals to minus 1 by 2b plus capital Z is equals to 1. So I will just put the values in the expansion to get my answer. So I can write it as 1 by 4a whole square plus minus of 1 by 2b whole square plus 1 whole square, 1 square plus 2 times capital X and capital Y plus 2 times capital Y, capital Z. I'm just putting the values 2 times Z and capital X. So these were first 5 identities. We'll see you in the next video.